clean our starlight exposure unit. This is a daily thing, so I would say at the beginning of the day we're going to come and check because we're going to be exposing screens. So the first thing we're going to do is keep our glass nice and clean. You can have small particles on here, little pieces of lint, anything on this glass could potentially cause pinholes in your screen while it's going through the exposure process. So we hit it with a little cleaner. And we're not just paying attention to where the screen lays, we're going to clean the whole thing. So now we can be confident when we expose our screens, we won't get random pinholes when we get it to press. The next thing we want to do is, because we were exposing screens all day yesterday, sometimes in the reclaim process, there's little bits of ink that are left on there. So when you close the lid and expose your screen, it naturally will leave it on there. So what we do is get a little Aussie juice, and since that happened yesterday, wipe it down gently and clean it off. So staying on top of this daily helps keep your rubber clean and keep your equipment nice and crispy. You want it to always look new. We do, so we want you to. And as you can see, it's in the outline of the frames that we have been exposing. So today, before we start, we're going to make sure we get rid of all of this so we can start our day off good on purpose. Take care of your equipment and take care of you.